Hello students, in the previous video we have already started with the new chapter quadratic equation and we have seen the first type for solving the quadratic equation by factorization method. And in this video we'll see some word problems. Okay, so the first question is the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306, that is 306. Find the integers. Now, what do you mean by consecutive positive integers? Consecutive means what? If I have 1, what is my next natural number? It is what? 2. Okay, next natural number to 2 is 3. That means 2 and 3 or 1, 2, 3, they are all consecutive natural numbers. Suppose if I say consecutive odd integers, okay, odd positive integers, it will be what? 1, then it will be next odd, it is what? 1, then 3, okay, then it will be 5 and so on. That means the next number, okay, which satisfies the given condition. Now here they have told the product of two consecutive positive integers. Okay, that means suppose if x is my first positive integer, which will be my next positive integer? It will be x plus 1 itself. Okay, so what it is given? The product of two consecutive integers is 306. So according to the question, what can we write is x into x plus 1 I can write as 306. Is this clear? Okay, that means I have got an equation. Now simplify this. Okay, so after simplification I'll be getting as x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. Now what we have to? We have to find the value of x. That means again by factorization method, what can I have? Your sum is what? Is 1 and product is 306. See, when the numbers are big, you can have your prime factorization method. Prime factorization or any numbers that will be more easier for you. Okay. Now suppose here, if I divide it by 2, it will be 2 ones are 2. Okay. 2 fives are 10. 2 threes are 6. Again, if it is by 3, 3 fives are 15. And again it will be here 3 ones are 3. Again 51, that means it is 17 into 3. 17 threes are 51. So in order to get, that means the next step I should write, I have not written there. So I have to get your sum as 1 and product as 306. So if I check through that, I will get the numbers as 18 and minus 17. Now since here the coefficient of x square is 1, I can write directly your factors. So I will get the values of x as minus 18 or x equal to 17. Now what we had given was, it was consecutive positive integer. So positive, therefore I cannot have the value of x as negative 18. So only value of x, it will be what? It will be 17. And hence the consecutive integers, it will be what? Which numbers? 17 and the next number it is 18. Okay. So your word problem, just see what is the condition. According to the condition, frame your equation. Okay, that is the basic thing. Clear? Now next, find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. Again here the word, it is what? Consecutive positive integers. So I can take x and x plus 1. Now what is the condition? Sum of whose squares. That means what I am doing there, I am adding squares of the numbers. Okay, and that sum is given to be 365. So I'll be getting it as x square plus x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 365. Clear? Now simplify it and you will get it as 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. Clear? Now from here itself, now check whether every term is having a multiple of 2. Okay, so I can take the 2 outside, so that will be easier for us for finding the answer. So I'll be taking 2 outside and you will get it as 2 into x square plus x minus 182 equal to 0. So 2 can be moved to this side, so it becomes 0 and you will get x square plus x minus 182, it is equal to 0. That means my sum should be 1 and product should be minus 182. Okay, so if I simplify it, I'll get the terms as 14 and minus 13. Okay, your sum should be plus 1 and product should be minus 182. So I'll be getting the factors x plus 14 and x minus 13 as 0. Okay, so x values will be minus 14 or x as 13. Again the question said it was what? Consecutive positive integers, and hence this value won't exist. Only the value of x that will take, it is 13. Okay, so we need to find the consecutive positive integers. One we got 13, so next number it is x plus 1, that is 14. Okay, hope this question is clear. Now this is an important question and generally it is asked, this question I am saying, it is asked to formulate. Now here we are not going to solve it, just I am going to formulate it as your quadratic equation. Okay, now see what is the question. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Find the speed of the train. Okay, just I am going to formulate it. I am not actually going to find the speed. Okay, I am just going to formulate it. Okay, so see how it will be. Now, is it given that a train travels a distance of 480 km? So distance is given to be 480. What we need to find, it is the speed. So whether the speed of the train can be taken as x. Okay. Now such question where speed, distance and time, it is given. You all know that your relation between speed, distance and time is what? Speed equal to distance by time. Okay. So by using that formula, we have to solve this question. Is that clear? So what we have taken is, let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour and distance is given to be 480 kilometer. Okay. Now speed I have, distance I have. So can I calculate the time taken? So time taken will be what? It will be here 480 by x, because your speed is distance by time. That means my time will be distance by speed. So distance is 480 and speed is x. And hence you will get the answer as 480 by x, it is hours. Is that clear? Now again what it is said, if the speed had been 8 km per hour less. Okay, that means if first my speed was x, then the speed became what? X minus 8. Okay, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. That means in that case distance again is the same, but my speed reduced to x minus 8. So what will be the time taken for that? It will be 480 by x minus 8 kilometers. Sorry, x minus 8 hours, 480 by x minus 8 hours. Okay, and also it is told it would have taken 3 hours more. Okay, so here if the speed had been 8 kilometer per hour less, then your time it will be 480 by x minus 8 hours. Is that clear? Now according to the question, can I write this as 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x is equal to 3. See what it was? We had been given that it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance if the speed had been your 8 kilometer per hour less. Okay, that means can I say that difference between 2 times it will be 3? Yes. Now I have to check whether which time will be greater. 480 by x minus 8 or is it 480 by x? Now whether numerator both are the same 480, so no problem. Denominators x minus 8 is less than x. That means which number will be greater? Your 480 by x minus 8 will be greater. And hence, first I should write 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x. The difference of time is given to be 3 hours. Okay, now simplify it. Cross multiply this here and here, and this you can have as your you can find your LCM. Okay, and then you can take your x into x minus 8 to the right hand side. So after simplifying, I'll be getting it like this. So you'll be getting it as 3x square minus 24 minus 3640 equal to 0. So just this is the equation, that is enough, because the question is just to formulate. The question is just to formulate, no need to solve it for x. Okay, because such questions it will require more time, because the product you will have it what 3640 into 3. Okay, that will be a bigger number. So such type of questions it may be given for just formulate. Okay, now see the next question. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of the production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. Okay, the total cost of the production on the day was rupees 90. Find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. See, whenever the question, you have to just see what is to find, because that we have to take it as x. Now here it is what? It is your find number of articles produced. So I'll be taking x as what? It will be number of articles produced, x. Now, what it is? The cost of the production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles. Your articles is what? X. Twice means 2x. And 3 more. So it will be cost will be 2x plus 3. That this one. Okay. 2x plus 3, cost of one article you will have it as 2x plus 3. That means one article's cost is 2x plus 3. Then what will be the total cost? It will be x into 2x plus 3. Because if suppose one trophy it cost 50 rupees, then two trophies cost 2 into 50. Similarly, one article costs 2x plus 3, then x articles will cost x into 2x plus 3. And that cost is given to be rupees 90. Okay. So, you'll get it as cost is this. After simplifying, you'll get the equation. Okay. So, the equation you'll be having it as 2x square plus 3x is equal to 90. that is 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0. So your product is 90 into 2 and sum is 3. 90 into 2 minus 90 into 2, that is minus 180, and sum is 3. And therefore you'll be getting the numbers as 15 and minus 12. So by using factorization method, you can factorize it and you will get the values of x as minus 15 by 2 and x as 6. But whether minus 15 by 2, will it be possible? No, because x is number of articles. So it won't be negative. Okay. So minus 15 by 2, it is not possible, and hence your x value is what? 6 itself. Therefore the number of articles is 6 and the cost of the articles is, instead of x, put the value as 6. You'll be getting that one as 15. Okay. Hope this questions in this video it is clear. Okay. Thank you.